Welcome everybody. Coming to you with some XCN on the charts. Want to get over, look at that disclaimer. We're going to get right over to the chart on XCN. XCN, the overall market's pulling back, but XCN's holding up pretty good. Really good. If you look here on, let's get to the daily chart. If you look at it on the daily chart, she is coming down a little bit, but she's fairly holding up pretty good. She's down 0.74% today. It's 1 hour and 59 minutes, almost 2 hours on the new day. She's sitting at a price of 0.0538. And what I want to bring to your attention, she's holding up really pretty good as far as pulling back, like Bitcoin pulling back and XRP and some other alts is pulling back. Where XRP's pulled back 2.4 something percent, XCN is only pulled back 0.74%. And in the last 24 hours, there's been whales to buy at this price $10 billion in XCN. Bought a lot of XCN at this price. So whales know something that we don't. It's holding up pretty good. Wanted to bring that to your attention as we get here on the chart, on the 1 hour chart. Let's pull this up. She is staying above, as you can see right here, these levels that she hit back on February the 2nd and February the 3rd. We are staying above those. We could come back and retest this level right here where she hit back over here on February the 2nd. But she is, like I told you yesterday, she is gaining some momentum, staying up, getting back to the top of the range up here at the zero. And she's coming down. I mean, she just staying up above the half a cent is really good for XCN. We get over here on CoinGlass. Started the day out at 005563, and this she went all the way up to somewhere around 005611, and gradually came back down. Last 4 hours, like I say, last 4 hours she's up 0.19%, and the last 7 days she's pulled back 20.74%. In year to date, she's still up 29.15%. So to me, XCN is still holding up really good. While Bitcoin is pulling back to the bear market, I've seen on some content channels today where, some of these content creators are coming out now saying that we're realizing that we're in a bear market. We've been in a bear market. But I wanted to come and cover that with you. As we can see right here, let's update CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, the market cap sitting at 2.48 trillion, down 4.67% on the day. It's pulling back, and we in extreme fear. We're at 11. Altcoin season sitting at 32 out of 100. Average crypto RSI still slightly in the oversold zone at 41.08. Let's go over here. We'll put in Onyxcoin. And right now she is currently ranked 139. Looking for this XCN to start moving up after Bitcoin's pull back and we start back up and headed towards the next alt season in the 4-year cycle in the bull run. Looking for XCN to start moving up, get up into the top 100. We get back over here on the charts. Let's check out if she's in a support area. But just to let everybody know, here on the channel, we're starting a spot trading group. The safest way to trade is spot trade. You see right here, we got up in this resistance area up here and got quickly rejected. It's pretty strong sell order block up here. once she gets up in there, she sells back. She tried twice, right? She went up, come back down, went back up, and tried, but nothing there was able to help her. So she's in a support area right now, all the way down to 00525, all the way up to 00558, which this is real good for XCN to be in this support area right here on the 4 hour. Let's see about the 1 day. Don't necessarily see nothing on the 1 day till you get down here. This is a pretty good strong support area right here. Hoping that she don't pull back down here. But worst case scenario, if she does, it's still good. If Bitcoin pulls all the way back and finds its bear market, it's getting close. It's at 72,000. It just hit 71 something. I'm predicting Bitcoin. Now I could be wrong. It could go lower, but I'm predicting 65 to 70,000. So Bitcoin is getting really close to finding its bottom. I do think some people out there say 35,000. I don't necessarily think that, but anything's possible with Bitcoin pulling back, but I'm predicting around 65, 70 with the ETFs that's been launched on Bitcoin help hold it up. But in the meantime, if we do lose these support levels I got up here, like this one right here, not necessarily support level, but this trend line I got here at 0.5 cent, I could see us pulling down here. I got this line down here at 00415 in the middle of this, basically this support area right here before she really pumped up back here on January the 2nd. I really feel like this support right here, if the 0.5 cent don't hold, that this area right here will hold while Bitcoin forms its bottom. Now, another thing that's helping, like I said earlier in the video, another thing that's helping Onyxcoin right now is the 10 billion that's been bought in the last 24 hours. Whales are accumulating XCN at this price. That is helping out XCN a tremendous. So what you got to pay attention to is these alts that's holding up good while Bitcoin's pulling back. Don't get me wrong. We in a bear market. We've been in a bear market. You can look at the overall chart on XCN since it pumped up to 5 cent, almost 5 cent, that we've been in a bear market ever since. Regardless of what other content creators tell you, that now they're realizing that we are in a bear market. Some of them are. Some of them still say this is setting up for another phase in the bull. It's not. This is the bear market, and Bitcoin is pulling back, finding its low, its bottom. And once it finds its bottom, it'll consolidate there for a little bit, and then a little while, and then we'll go back up. And I do believe this is going to be another alt right here that's going to do very well as Bitcoin starts back up, because it's showing a lot of strength in the pullback of Bitcoin. This is what you want to pay attention to when Bitcoin's pulling back, the top alts pulling back. You have to pay attention to these other alts that are really holding up well in this bear market. And even though we're coming down, don't get me wrong, we are coming down from where we was at, 5 cent. But we're nowhere really near where we was at down here at 00108 before it went all the way to the 5 cent up here. Oh Lord, I messed up right here. Up here, right at 5 cents. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. We're nowhere near this line down here right now. So still doing good, still holding up good on Onyxcoin. And I do believe, these whales will continue buying, but that's a lot. 10 billion in the last 24 hours on XCN is really good. So coming to give you an update. Let's see. We could just look right quick where we at on the The RSI is probably down low. Yeah, see right here on the daily chart, we're still coming down. I think we're going to come down and sweep the bottom and then go back up gradually over time. So I do think right here we're getting really close to the bottom of where XCN is going to be at when Bitcoin finds its bottom. Now I could be totally wrong. We could pull down to the 415 here, but I do think the way it's looking that we really could hold at the 5 cent level. So looking at the RSI right here on the daily chart, I do think we're coming down, and might come sweep a little bit lower, and we're going to gradually start back up. So I wanted to come and give you an update on the chart. And on the spot trading group, it's a good time to start getting in on XCN right now. We're accumulating XCN at this price because we're looking for XCN to go up higher in the next bull run cycle in the altcoin season. So what we're going to do, start getting in right now as we're going down, and then, during the first alt season, we rally up, we'll pull out at the top, near the top, and then we'll get back in near the bottom. So compound our tokens and keep adding to our bags, and by the time we get to the next top of the next bull run cycle, we'll be sitting pretty. So we wanted to come and give you that update. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in getting in the group, it's not only XCN, there's other tokens that we're covering. One main token is Canton Network. It's going to do really, really good too. It's holding up really good against Bitcoin's pullback. So if y'all are interested in getting in with somebody that knows these charts, I'm not the best out there, but I know enough that when it comes to spot trading, we can make a lot of money. Let me know in the comments, and I'll be glad. And because after a while, I'll start a DeFi group, and probably the first 50 or so will be free. So if you're interested and you want to join this group and get in, let us know. Put it in the comment section. Let us know. But we'll be back tomorrow to update you again. So until then, we're going to say God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.